Welcome to Loving Carolina. My name is Heather Mounds with eXp Realty, and I serve the amazing people of Raleigh and surrounding area here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, we're going to be talking about how to choose a home lender. Several years ago, we were interested in purchasing a condotel in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. A condotel is a condo that operates as a hotel with a registration desk, a cleaning service, and more. Great for vacation rentals and income property, where the condo can be rented out to the public when not in use. You've probably rented one in the past too if you visit some of the touristy areas. So what we discovered was that the condotel did not qualify for a conventional loan. Now what? So before we put an offer on a home, we wanted to make sure that we understood the differences in lenders and the types of loans that they offer. See, I've seen sellers reject offers. Transactions crumble to pieces because the buyer went under contract without fully understanding the different types of lenders and loans available. So it's important to choose your lender wisely. So today we're going to talk about 3 different types of lenders that's in this world. You got the big banks, you got the online lenders, and you've got the direct lenders. So let's talk about big bank lenders. Big banks are the ones you see on every street corner, grocery store, and ATM. These are the banks where you deposit your money, you pay your bills, and you cash checks, if you still cash checks. The benefits of using a big bank is that they often have the best rates. However, these rates usually come at a cost. Big banks have a lot of work to do when it comes to customer service, response times, organizations, and speed. Big banks usually don't work on nights and weekends, and they also have multiple people touching your account, which means there's no single point of contact when things go crazy. These factors not only slow process down, they also have the potential to create confusion during the transaction when a customer or buyer needs clear answers and have hard deadlines. This is very important if you have a due diligence timeline here in North Carolina where the paperwork must be completed at a drop-dead date, where time is at the essence. If you do use a big bank for your lender, make sure you have a direct contact that can provide a status update on your loan as you continue through the process. The second lender we're going to talk about are online lenders. Online lenders are the ones you see advertising at the top of Google when you start searching for a loan. The benefit of using an online lender is that they usually have decent rates and they're lightning fast when it comes to delivering pre-approvals and closings. This is important when you have a short closing timeline. You will want to be able to have the loan processed quickly to satisfy the due diligence date and to have peace of mind as you're nearing your closing time. But there's a reason why they're so fast. Online lenders are like factories. They deal with cookie cutter loans, but if you need extra consulting or if you don't fit neatly into their wheelhouse, then they may not be the best option for you. Think of condotels. The number 3 types of lender is the direct lender. These are the ones that are a little harder to find, but they're usually local, they're familiar with the market, and they work with a lot of our local realtors. As a result, they have a very informative and balanced view of the best loan products for buyers and what it takes to get an offer accepted in this market here in Raleigh. So the benefits of working with a direct lender is that they take a consultative approach. They'll sit down with you, they go over all of your loan options available to you, and they help you choose the right program that's going to be beneficial to you and your unique situation. And since they have a vast interest in closing your loan, they usually make themselves available on nights and weekends when you would need them the most. The only disadvantage of working with a direct lender is that they are not always the cheapest or have the lowest rates. That's sometimes, but that's not always. So what about condotels? What happened? What we ended up doing with the condotel loan was we worked directly with a big bank lender. This lender was locally known for working directly with condotels. They understood the process, the government regulations, the requirements, and provided guidance during that transaction. Was it the best rate available? Probably not, but it was the right rate to allow us to move forward with our closing. If you're thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process. Just send me a message or message me below. No pressure as always, just the help and the guidance you need to make sure that you get the property that you're looking before and your after. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode.